Today, we're unboxing and demonstrating the Bluetooth U8. After unboxing, take out the device, the U8. The Bluetooth name is marked on top of the device. This is the accessory box. Which contains a data cable and a charger. The power button is this red button. Next to it is the USB port for charging. After powering on, the display shows for battery level segments, 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. In the middle is the Bluetooth status indicator. It stays solid when a connection is successfully established. On the right is the working status indicator. Now, let's open the demo software. In the antenna ports section below, select the SLR module series. Leave it as is. We directly search for the corresponding Bluetooth device. You can see the U8 device appears. Check whether the Bluetooth address matches the device. And once confirmed, click Connect. After connection, it shows no tag or no label attached. Then, open the RFID tray. Once it stays solid, click Start. Flashing indicates it is working. Since there are many tags on site, the read count will increase accordingly, with the longest read range at the highest configuration. It can reach up to about 20 meters. Once it stays solid, click Start. You can see that it shows rewrite successful.